Hey guys, what is up? It is me, Anime Addict. Today we're gonna be playing the same Roblox game as we did last time. Haha. Yeah, so I think this is part 6 now of this series, and they added a new update. New Dark Shadow, baby! And their new agencies as well. And new accessories, bubble chats, bug fixes. Oh, and the time stone. And the time stone, sorry. Time stone. And they also added a new quirk called Dark Shadow. That's Tokiyami's quirk, by the way, if you have not watched My Hero. So guys, yeah, this is part 6. Enjoy. Please like, subscribe, share this, post notifications like always. And yeah, comment down below on what I should play next. Or comment down below a new series. So guys, last episode, I said I was gonna get a new quirk. But that meant one for all prime, all for one. I was gonna spin all for one. Because I needed a new quirk. Because see, I already have all for one prime. Next one, I don't need all for one. Nah, I don't need Bakugo's quirk either. I need Health Flame. I really want Health Flame. No. Oh, why am I only getting rare epics? Overhaul. Should I stick with Overhaul? Alright guys, I'm gonna stick with Overhaul. Yeah, actually. Yeah, let's stick with Overhaul. Why not? Alright. So I guess I got Overhaul now. Alright guys, if you guys hear my birds in the background, I'm sorry. It's not really my choice. They like yelling a lot at this time. Hello Arkham Deluxe, how have you been? Right, let's do this quest. I'm gonna try same area again this time because I completely failed, let's be honest. Last time. Overhaul, I like Overhaul. Right, what are Overhaul's powers? Reconstruction Rising, Heal, ooh, Heal, and Lance. How much SP do I got? Can I get this? No, how much SP do I have? 0, alright. Alright, I'm gonna go to Muscle Island. It sounds muscular. Alright. Get that speed boost. Oh, and I also got the sick ass mask last time. Overhaul. Let's try Overhaul, actually. I was hoping for Health Flame, but why not just try Overhaul? Alright, just me on Muscular Island. But oh, how did I already take that much damage? Ouch, ouch. Get up, get up. Right. Oh, I got Todoroki. I forgot about him. Ouch. I forgot he did that. What the heck? Why? I don't want to defeat Overhaul. Why does that always happen? Oh my god. Please, world. Take pity on me. I have 0 SP at all. That sucks. Do I have every single sidekick? Because I got Todoroki last time. Do I have anything else to get? Please don't latch onto that. Oh, thank God. Oh, it's a long way back. What's this? What is this? Who are you? Halloween Destroyer? What the hell? Oops. Damn. Where do you find the time stone? I really want to find it. But anyway, that's the next step. What? Did I get anything? Oh, I thought I got something. Never mind. What are you? Do I have to smash my way into there? Nope, can't do that. Alright, let's go. Alright. 6 minutes into the video. It's already sucking. This will help. Where the hell did he go? There he is. Bastard. Now? That'll last for a while. Uh, uh. Uh. That sucks. Ah! Touch me. Santa? Holy moly. Go. Hey, I killed him, but it's not really what I wanted. There we go. Boom. Boom. Why is there a cannon? Alright. You're done. Ouch. Ow. What the hell? Should I do it though? Yeah, why not? I don't rescue civilians enough anyway, being a hero. Why do villains even come here? I don't know. Why does this world teleport villains here? It says rescue the civilians, not kill them. Alright. Should I leave the rest of them? No, come on. 40 seconds on the clock. Let's do this. Oh, that guy has Dark Shadow. That's cool. Whoa, Dark Shadow's cool. Now where am I? Can I like spawn one place I want to spawn, please? Hello, you, Mixie Bob. Oh god. All the way there now. Oh no, it's just here. No. Oh shoot, wait, we beat him? Oh, that's cool. Someone else beat him, but that is cool. And that also means I can unlock you. What is this move? Ooh, that's cool. That is cool. Yeah, this will help save the area a lot because this does splash damage. Oh, it heals up pretty quick as well. Let me try you, Mr. Grapple Locked. Oh. Cool amount of damage. Yay! There we go, the master. That does a hell lot of damage. Whoa. Where am I going? Here. Dark Shadow. There it is. That's cool. Dark Shadow is pretty cool. Should I get it? Nah. Seems like a pretty good attack type, but not just what I was going for, you know? Anyway, Denki's over here. So where is it? Oh, here. Alright. Oh, the Earth Beast. I forgot. Here, I'm gonna do this quest first. Then I'll focus on. Yeah, I'll accept it. Sure. We got nothing better to do. Alright. Run, beasts. I'll help you. I helped her. Yeah, see, this is why you need a second quirk. You run out of moves so quick. Owie. Oh no, I'm out. Bye bye. Where did they all go? We killed one of them. Perfect. Killed two of them. Perfect. Hell no. And I'm dead. Oh my god. Where's it? What are these? Anyway. Booyah. Boom yeah. Whoa, that's blue. It's cool. Did that connect or? Okay, we got one of them again. Where'd that other freaking idiot go? Where is he? Oh, here. Is that him? I don't know. What? I'm decapitating you? Oh, I don't care. That's 4. Last one. Hold on, let me get all my moves back in about 9 seconds. I'm gonna save Airy today. And plus, I got a cool quirk, so that'd do good. Wait, did you say Frag give me a quirk? I just noticed that. I don't want to. Okay, ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Power move, power move, power move, power move. Boom. That's the OG power move combo. Skirt. Skirt. And last one. New quirk. That does a hell lot of damage. I love that. Well, I think I can officially say that I'm good enough to challenge Airy. Who is you? You're not that strong compared to me. I can take him. Right? I can't take him. I really can't. God damn it. Alright, let's save Aerie. Will my health go back to normal if I do it? It's time. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Why is there no 6 or 5? 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Let's go. Why am I not going? Huh? What? Where am I? Oh. I can't fight these guys, but holy crap, Dark Shadow though. That's cool. Okay, now where am I? That's the island where I got my gear blades. I did the last episode. Yeah, I'm just gonna reset because I don't feel like walking all the way back to spawn. Last time when I saved Aerie, that was some bullcrap, honestly. It's honestly so stupid. Is there any other awakening? That's cool. What is happening? I'm saving Aerie? What is actually happening? Okay. Okay, so these guys are just level 5. It's no biggie. You can take them. How did you miss? How does that happen? How is he not dead? Die. Annoying. And they might not have enough time left. See, 6 seconds. And I'm switching out to the rookie. Not what I meant to do, but equip. Right here. So everyone takes the damage. Trust me, you don't want to take a piece of it. Come on, Dickie. Perfect. Everybody came with me. Yeah, I'm gonna revive. That's a good way to kill everybody. And yourself. I low-key did not expect that, but alright, whatever. Come on, come on! But Evan, how dare I kill her? Yeah, you can't touch me, bro. Again, how are you not dead? Bye-bye. Now you're dead. Then we got stained followers. Just what I needed. Stained followers. Oh, those guns are so annoying. God, come here before it goes. Yeah. Die. I can't use anything, so. Come on, I will not die to the likes of you. Alright, I need to take a moment to heal a bit. Ooh, that's where that move would come in handy. Heal. Damn. Should I just barge in on him? Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Just go full on his ass. I don't like you. Shoot, I forgot. There's another one right there. Die. Please die. Woo! Alright. How do I make it up there? I can make it up there now. God, this is gonna be a tiresome battle. There's more. How much more is there? Stain? Shit. Crap. I can't beat him. Alright, let's go full on. Screw you. Screw everybody. Am I dead? Yeah, nah, I'm out. I don't want to revive. Okay, then. I'm out. I'm dead. Yeah, I'm dead. Dude, what happened if I reset? Oh yeah, I can't reset. How do I leave this place now? Once you die, how do you leave? I can move. Ooh, I damaged him pretty good. Damn, saving Ares a big job. I don't have 25 Robux. Oh no. I can leave? What is this? I can leave. Like now. Yeah, should I just leave the game? I can come back, but then my recording would stop. Yeah, my recording would stop if I leave the game. I don't know what to do. How do I leave? There's no way to leave. Is there not a way to leave without turning off my recording? Let me try this. Alright, I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna come back. Hold on. Alright, guys, I am back. Haha. Bet you didn't see that coming, did you? Yeah. A lot of things happened, and there's nothing I can do in Hosu. Should I just try for a new quirk? Sure. Overhaul's cool and all, but like, should I? Actually, here, I'm gonna see what Overhaul's main thing is. Then after that, I'll decide what quirk, if I want to keep Overhaul or not. Dark Shadow. Dark Shadow's pretty cool. I like that. Really cool. I did your quest already. There's nothing really left to do, but I just didn't want to end the video on that short note. Aigaba? Ooh, I'm almost there. Do I know this thing? Ew, what's up with this man's face? This is not Aizawa. Who are you, hooligan? I'm out. Have I explored this world? I don't think I have. Let me just do that. We hit the light goal. Did we? What's here? Ooh, there are people here. Kirishima! You're not Kirishima. That's no bad guy. That's a mountain brute. It's a powerful mountain brute. What's up with the back of his head? Jesus. Hey, my man repping that one for all. Cool, 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 cool. Ha. So, I'm gonna try to get a sidekick. Is there a sidekick I can still get? Really? There isn't? Nope. Retire. It would be funny. But then no, never mind. What would be funny is, where's my Dobby? Okay, I have my Dobby. I think I have every single one. It's cool. I have every single sidekick. Well, I'm gonna just hurry over there, I guess. Nothing left to do. Oh wait, I have some more fame left. No way I'm keeping Ayama. Ah, beat the shit out of that tree. Pumpkin realm? Was this the pumpkin realm? Who are you? I think I got the best one. Yeah, she's about the hood as well. How would I look in a hood? Wait, I forgot I made that. Accessories. Hood. Blue hood. Oh no. There's a normal head? I think I need to get rid of my hair. If I wanna wear that. Nah, we're moving that. Move. I'll just wear my hero mask. Yeah. Oh, didn't I have Shimura gloves? I really thought I did. They got rid of my Shimura gloves? Oh, that sucks. I have this, and this, and this. This looks pretty cool. Should I just sell a bunch of things? I don't know. It's barely selling anything. Heat size sells at 5,000. Well, it's a legendary. I'm trying to keep much legendaries as I can. See, like this, Nice Blade. I could make a dual Nice Blade if I had another Nice Blade. So that's the only reason I'm keeping it, because that's, I think, a rare. What's going on? Secure the prisoners? I need the SP, like, stat. I really do. I need the SP. Alright, what do we got here? Yeah, I have that. I think that's my best move. You. Okay, I think I'm gonna try you two. What is this? Combined Awakening? Yo, that'd be sick. I'm gonna try this later. Once I get 25 SP. But anyway, this healing. I need 13 SP for it. Which I really need. Come on, secure them prisoners, fool. Should I be buzzkill and just like kill them so they don't secure the prisoners? Hurry, bro! Where you going? Hurry! Hey, we're fighting. Hurry, take the prisoner and run. So you're heroes, why can't I take them? I'm pressing B. Yeah, even if I click on them, I can't click on them. See? Just punching them. Did I just punch with the sword in my hand? There's a sword in my hand, people. Oh, sick, I got heat sight. No way. That's cool. We got two heat sights. Yeah, no. Bye-bye. I don't like you. Bye-bye. Hey! I thought I just... Should I end this? Ow. Suck it. Suck it! Great, thanks for stealing my kill bit. I like that move a lot. Oh yeah, I forgot to call Kaminari. Kaminari. Yeah, the saving area is a big waste of time until you have someone to do it with. Trust me. You cannot get past every stage. Okay, I barely made it past the 5th or 4th stage. So yeah, guys, if you're ever gonna save area, to save that. Oh, you bastard. Crush. Hate this guy. I need 2 more SP, but I don't have a quest. What quest can I do? Pixie Bob? Oh, you can take this a bunch of times. Cool. You know, this is also a good way to get SP. Be the channel. Come on, turn the radio on. Friday night and it won't be long. I think I missed. What the hell? Why am I singing the song? Yay! Ah! Kaminari! Get him. Alright, we're dishing out some damage. I hit him. Oh no, not wrong way, bastard. Yeah. Why am I not using it? There we go. Yo, we're getting this guy. Come on, yes. Come on, you little. Hey, we got him! This kid got the nice blade. Fudge. Wow, that guy's powerful. Holy shit. But anyway, I got. How much SP do I have? 17? Do I have enough for my third ability? I think that's 20 SP. Yeah, that's 20. Gee. Oh, you can't touch me now, can you? Oh yeah, you know why? Because I got regeneration. What is that? What is that move? What didn't do anything? Huh? God damn, just let me live, bro. Does that move do anything? Oh, that's how much it heals? Screw this kid. My guy, let me live. Yeah, now I'm out. Like hell, nobody can touch me. This move is a waste of time. Yeah, nah, I'm getting rid of Overhaul. Probably has like one good move. Why am I still fighting Mud Beast? I don't want to. But no. Alright guys, I think I'll end it there. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, turn on those post notifications like always. And yeah, comment down below what I should play next or what series I should do next. Alright my guys, I will peace out after doing this. I just wanted to do this. Holy sh... What is that, jet? You can't touch me now, can you? Come on, come on. I need the SP. Hey, it's not nice. Ow, stop doing that, you bastard. Oh, I'm alive. Okay, I need that. Is anyone else gonna help? I feel like it's just me. Whoever puts the last one, I don't care. Just put the last one. I'll put the last one. Don't worry. I am here. Kaputski. Ooh, what did I get? What is that? Thank God I did not end the video here. What is that? Gamma suit? I'm gonna equip that. Yo. This looks cool. What up, bro? You wanna go? I'm gonna go right now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Talk, bro. Guys, I hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, turn on those post notifications like always, and comment down below on what I should play next. I promise, alright? This is the last. Come on, guys. Peace out, dudes.